We're here right now with Ken Goldberg, CEO of Real Digital Media, who's been so kind to take a little bit of his time away from some other business to talk with us. Ken, thank you so much. First of all, for some of the people that don't know in the industry, Real Digital Media has been a player for a while, and I want to kind of ask Ken to explain exactly where the company fits in.
Okay, well, thank you first of all, Tony. Real Digital Media has been around since 2003. This is our 8th Digital Signage Expo. We've been here since the start. And what we provide to the industry and to network operators is a platform, a digital signage platform for managing large-scale networks of digital signs. We have a web-based offering. Our typical installation is a software as a service, SaaS installation, where we sell a media player appliance with embedded software that connects over the internet to our hosted server. And that's paid for on a subscription basis on a per player per month basis. That's a business model, the SaaS model. We've also recently introduced enterprise licensing, where customers can install the software on their servers, and that's really for large-scale customers who have 2,000 or more media players deployed. It just makes more sense in a large-scale deployment like that. Generally, a more sophisticated IT organization wants that control behind their firewall. We're able to do that, and so we offer our stock and trade are a few things. One is scalability. One is flexibility. We offer flexibility with respect to operating systems. You can use a Windows embedded standard as your operating system on the player. You could use Linux. We offer flexibility with licensing, as I said, SaaS or enterprise. You can even have an enterprise license where we'll host it. It just depends on people's needs. And so we're out there trying to solve problems, out there trying to create outcomes for customers. We don't really sell based on features and functions. They're all in there. That's the price of poker. You can't be in this game unless you do everything that needs to be done to manage a digital signage network and more. But that being said, we need to our stock and trade is taking that core functionality and extending it to solve customer problems. And some of the things we do to do that, we're able to accept additional media formats when need be. We're able to create web portals for franchisees in an operation to be able to log on without entering our system to select content or to customize content within a playlist. That's something that we built on request. And most of the stuff that's in our application has been driven by customer needs, not by a blank sheet of paper what we think. It's not important what we think, it's important what we do. So again, that's our place in the industry, an appliance-based, SaaS-based software provider that's also flexible enough to go to the enterprise and scalable enough to manage a large enterprise.
And that's one of the good things that he pointed out here is the scalability of software as a service. I mean, you could have one screen or you could have 35,000 screens. It's just a matter of understanding that the scalability is important for you as a network operator coming up into the industry right now, knowing that it's going to be there, it's going to be just as powerful, and it's simple. And as case in point right there, it's all about the capabilities that are present right there. So Ken, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.